Our next problem is find the equation of tangent to the given curve y square is equal to 4ax at the point 80 square comma 280. Here given curve is y square is equal to 4ax. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx is equal to 4a into derivative of x is 1. 4a into 1, that is 4a. Dy by dx is equal to 2 to the gets cancelled, that is 2a by y. Now slope of the point is slope of the tangent at the given point. Here given point is 80 square comma 280, that is dy by dx is equal to, substitute xy coordinates in the dy by dx. Here only y is there, therefore 2a by 280. Here 2a gets cancelled, that is equal to 1 by t is the slope of the tangent. Now equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here x1 y1 is the given point. Substitute y minus y1 is 280 is equal to m is 1 by t into x minus 80 square. Cross multiply, this is yt minus 280 square is equal to x minus 80 square. Yt is equal to x plus 80 square is the equation of the tangent to the given curve at the given point. Next problem is find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 at the point a cos theta comma b sin theta. Here given curve is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. This is derivative of x square is 2x by a square. Derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx by b square is there is equal to derivative of 1 is 0. Here implies dy by dx is equal to, so this will be minus b square x by a square y. So I wrote the step directly, b square x by a square y. Now the given point is a cos theta comma b sin theta. Given point on the curve is a cos theta comma b sin theta. Now slope of the tangent is m is equal to dy by dx at the given point. So that is substitute minus b square x. Here x is a cos theta by a square y. Y is b sin theta. Here a gets cancelled, b gets cancelled. That is minus b cos theta by a sin theta. This is the slope of the tangent. Now equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus b sin theta is equal to m is minus b cos theta a sin theta into x minus a cos theta. So divide by b cos theta, divide by b first, that is minus sin theta. Here this is cos minus cos theta by sin theta. So divide by a here, x by a minus a cos theta. Now cross multiply, this is y sin theta by b minus sin square theta is equal to minus x by a cos theta plus cos square theta. So that is equal to x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta is equal to sin square plus cos square, that is equal to 1. Therefore equation of tangent is x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta is equal to 1. This is the equation of tangent. Now equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is b sin theta. Here slope is minus 1 by m, that is minus 1 by minus b cos theta by a sin theta into x minus a cos theta. So here this is y minus b sin theta is equal to, here minus minus gets cancelled, this is a sin theta by b cos theta into x minus a cos theta. This is equal to, so here multiply by b, yb minus b square sin theta, then divide by sin theta by sin theta by sin theta. Here ax by cos theta minus a square cos theta by cos theta. So that is equal to by by sin theta minus b square is equal to ax by cos theta minus a square. Implies equation of normal is ax by cos theta minus by sin theta is equal to a square minus b square is the equation of the normal. Our next problem is find the angle between the given curves x cube minus 3xy square is equal to 2, 3x square y minus y cube is equal to 2. So given first curve is x cube minus 3xy square is equal to 2. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of x cube is 3x square minus 3 into derivative of xy square is x into derivative of y square 2y dy by dx plus y square into derivative of x is 1, that is equal to derivative of 2 is a 0. 3x square minus 6xy dy by dx minus 3y square is equal to 0. Therefore 6xy dy by dx is equal to 3 into x square minus y square. Therefore dy by dx is equal to x square minus y square by 2xy. So if p x1 y1 is the point of intersection of given curves, slope of tangent to the first curve at p, point p is m1 is equal to, substitute in the dy by dx, that is x1 square minus y1 square by 2x1 y1, that is the slope. Similarly given second curve is 3x square y minus y cube is equal to 2. Here also differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Here derivative is 3 into x square into dy by dx plus y into 2x minus derivative of y cube is 3y square dy by dx is equal to derivative of 2 is 0. Here take dy by dx common, dy by dx is equal to, so this is minus 2xy by 3 into x square 6xy by 3 into x square minus y square. So here also slope of the tangent, therefore slope of the tangent to the second curve at the point P is let it be m2 is equal to minus 2x1 y1 by x1 square minus y1 square. Now do the product m1 into m2, that is x1 square minus y1 square by 2x1 y1 into minus 2x1 y1 by x1 square minus y1 square. Here x1 square minus y1 square gets cancelled, 2x1 y1 gets cancelled. Therefore m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. So product of slopes is equal to minus 1, therefore slopes is equal to minus 1, therefore the two tangents are perpendicular. Tangents are perpendicular. Therefore the given two curves intersect each other at right angles, that is 90 degrees. The next problem is find the equation of normal to y is equal to x cube minus 3x, which is parallel to x plus 18y is equal to 9. Here given curve is y is equal to x cube minus 3x. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Dy by dx is equal to 3x square minus 3. Here normal is parallel to 2x plus 18y is equal to 9. Implies slope of normal is, that is minus a by b, that is equal to minus 2 by 18 minus 1 by 9. Implies slope of tangent is, that is minus 1 by slope of normal, that is minus 1 by minus 1 by 9, that is equal to 9. Now equate dy by dx is equal to 9 to get the points is equal to 9. Implies 3x square minus 3 is equal to 9. X square minus 1 is equal to 3. X square is equal to 4, implies x is equal to plus or minus 2. So for x is equal to plus 2, y is equal to 2q minus 3 into 2, that is 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. For one point is 2 comma 2. Here equation of normal is 2x plus 18y is equal to 2 into 2 plus 18 into 2. Directly substitute the point here. 2x plus 18y is equal to 36 plus 4 is equal to 40. Again for x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 2 cube minus 3 into minus 2. This is minus 8 plus 6, that is equal to minus 2. Therefore another point is minus 2 comma minus 2. Here equation of normal is 2x plus 18y is equal to 2 into minus 2 plus 18 into minus 2, that is 2x plus 18y is equal to minus 4 minus 36, that is equal to minus 40. Our next problem is find the condition for the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p to be a tangent to the curve xy is equal to a square. Here xy is equal to a square. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X dy by dx plus y into derivative of x is 1, that is equal to 0, and plus dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. P x1 y1 is any point on the curve. Slope of tangent is dy by dx is equal to minus y1 by x1 is the slope of tangent. Now equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, that is y minus y1 is equal to, here m is minus y1 by x1 into x minus x1. This is x1y minus x1y1 minus y1x plus x1y1. This is xy1 plus yx1 is equal to 2x1y1. So here point lies on the curve, therefore x1 y1 is equal to a square. Now substitute here, that is xy1 plus yx1 is equal to 2a square is the equation of any tangent. So here given that x cos alpha plus y sin alpha p to be a tangent, then xy1 plus yx1 is equal to 2a square is also equation of any tangent. These two equations must be same. Comparing the quotients, cos alpha by y1 is equal to sin alpha by x1 is equal to p by 2a square. Here x1 will be equal to, x1 is equal to 2a square sin alpha by p. Similarly y1 is equal to 2a square cos alpha by p. Now substitute x1 y1 is equal to a square, we know. Substitute x1 value 2a square sin alpha by p into 2a square cos alpha by p is equal to a square, and this is equal to, here 1 a square gets cancelled, this is 4a square sin alpha cos alpha is equal to p square, that is 2a square sin 2 alpha is equal to p square is the condition for the given line to be a tangent to the given curve. The next problem is find the length of tangent subtangent to the curve y is equal to e power x by a. Here given curve is y is equal to e power x by a, dy by dx is equal to e power x by a into derivative of x by a is 1 by a, that is equal to y by a. Now equation of length of subtangent is equal to y by dy by dx, that is equal to y by dy by dx value is y by a. Here y gets cancelled, that is equal to a. Length of subtangent is equal to mod a. Find the length of tangent normal subtangent subnormal to the curve x is equal to a into theta minus sin theta, y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta at the angle theta is equal to pi by 2. Here given curve is x is equal to a into theta minus sin theta. Here parametric differentiation dx by d theta is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta implies dy by d theta is equal to a into derivative of 1 0, derivative of cos is minus of minus, that is plus sin theta. Now dy by dx is equal to parametric differentiation dy by d theta by dx by d theta is equal to a into sin theta by a into 1 minus cos theta. Here a gets cancelled. Now submultiple angles formulas is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. Here 2 gets cancelled. Here 1 sin gets cancelled, that is cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 2 is a dy by dx. Now theta is given as pi by 2. Therefore m is equal to dy by dx at theta is pi by 2 is equal to cot pi by 4, that is equal to 1. And now m is equal to 1 implies length of tangent. Length of tangent is y into root of 1 plus m square by m. Here in y put theta is equal to 90, that is a into 1 minus cos 90, a, that is equal to a. Root of 1 plus m square is 1 square, that is 1 by 1, that is equal to a root 2. Similarly length of normal is, that is y into root of 1 plus m square, that is a into root of 1 plus 1, that is also a root 2. Now length of subtangent is equal to y by m, that is equal to a by 1, that is equal to a. Length of subnormal is equal to y into m, that is equal to a into 1, that is also is equal to a. Our next problem is find the angle between the curves y square is equal to 4x and y is equal to e power minus x by 2. Here given curves is y square is equal to 4x, differentiate with respect to x, 2y dy by dx is equal to 4 implies dy by dx is equal to, that is 2 by y. If p x1 y1 is the point of intersection of curves, here dy by dx is equal to 2 by y1. Slope of tangent to the first curve is m1 is equal to 2 by y1. Similarly second curve is y is equal to e power minus x by 2. dy by dx is equal to e power minus x by 2 into derivative of x by 2 is minus 1 by 2. This is equal to minus y by 2. Now slope of tangent at the point is to the second curve is dy by dx that is m2 is equal to, substitute x1 y1, that is minus y1 by 2. Here m1 m2, find m1 m2. Here m1 is 2 by y1, m2 is minus y1 by 2. Here 2 gets cancelled, y1 gets cancelled, that is equal to minus 1. Product of slopes is equal to minus 1. Product of slopes is equal to minus 1, implies two tangents are perpendicular. Implies the two curves cut each other orthogonally or at 90 degrees, both are same.